Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall InShot app from iPhone. InShot is a popular video editing application used by the users to create and edit videos directly on their iPhone. Over time, you may find the need to uninstall the app, either to free up storage space, resolve technical issues, or perform a fresh installation. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through a safe and complete method to uninstall InShot from your iPhone. First, you need to locate to the InShot app, navigate to your iPhone home screen and locate to your InShot application. Here, you may need to swipe through multiple home screen or search, and once you find your InShot, simply press and hold to your InShot app until a contextual menu appears here. You need to select to this remove app in the top, and again it will ask you to confirmation for the delete. What you can do is select to this delete to remove InShot completely from your device. And deleting the app removes all the local project and drafts stored within the InShot. However, any videos you have exported to your iPhone's Photos app will remain safe. And uninstalling InShot from your iPhone is a simple process, but it is important to follow the step carefully to preserve your exported videos. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.